Rolls-Royce with crocodile skin slip. Things to look out for when customizing a vehicle. Rolls-Royce Phantom motor creativity knows no bounds. Harley-Davidson will make the Pulsar the "sky is the limit" for the idea of remodifying cars. Scooty will be made Ducati. They will make Omni Audi. No one can interfere in the remodification of luxury cars. But the law is that everything must run on the road subject to the rules. The hot topic is that a Rolls-Royce Phantom car has been seized by the Italian customs officials. The reason is that the interior customization of that car is like that. The Italian customs has fined the owner of the car for removing the interior after it was revealed that the car was fitted with seats made of crocodile skin called an alligator. Rolls-Royce Phantom crocodile leather seat. Rolls-Royce Phantom crocodile leather seat. Alligator breed crocodiles. Rolls-Royce is a prestigious car. The company's most expensive car, the Phantom. Its on-road price in India is around 10.5 crore rupees. The price may be higher depending on the accessories provided by the company. As far as remodification is concerned, only some customization is allowed in the company's brochure. But the reason for the anger of the customs officials was that its customization was not in accordance with the company rules. Authorities have seized the car after it was revealed that it had made its seats in the aftermarket using the skin of an endangered animal crocodile. The car was caught while being imported to Italy from Russia. The largest premium car showroom in Rome has been revealed to be a resale car. So far, Rolls-Royce corporate cars have been customized as a variety around the world. But a luxury car with crocodile skin seats has just been reported. Globally, crocodiles are an endangered species that needs to be protected. Only 160 countries in Washington Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild under sites are allowed to export crocodile skin. This also requires site certification. Let it go. We all have the desire to customize our vehicle as we like. When modifying your vehicles in our town, keep these 8 things in mind. Car modification. Color. You can change your vehicle to any color you want. RTO approval is required for this color change. Don't forget to endorse this in the RC book as well. Don't go for less than your full potential. Tires modification. Tires. You can change your car's tires to any size and sex. But make sure it does not go beyond the width of the car. This is not a crime under the law. But the stability and mileage of the car is empty. It is also dangerous for pedestrians. Seats. Changing the number of seats should not even be considered clean. Leather seats are allowed. However, it is illegal to use such animal skins as leather seats. Alloy wheels. As far as alloy wheels are concerned, it is your choice. There is no legal issue with this either. But if the section changes, the mileage will go down. Bike engine. The engine cc of your vehicle should not exceed the product size of that company. For example, fitting a 200cc engine to a 150cc Pulsar is a mistake. Horns are plentiful in the aftermarket. The sound of your horn can be stylish. However, the product size should not be exceeded. For example, exceeding 80 decibels is a crime under the law. Tada for multi-horns. Flop bike. The size of the vehicle. It is against the law to change the length, width and height of your vehicle beyond the limits allowed by the ARAI, Automotive Research Association of India. Okay, with ARAI permission. Exhaust. Some will fit a high beat exhaust as a dub for a normal Splendor. This is also a crime under the law. Similarly, double exhaust fitting is also wrong. If you buy and fit exhaust in the aftermarket, see if the RTO has the approval seal.